Who is Marcus Aurelius? Marcus Aurelius was the emperor of Rome from 161 to 180 AD and is known to be one of the most influential Stoic philosophers. He is highly regarded for his contributions to the growth and development of Stoic beliefs. He was also renowned for his principled philanthropy, doing all he could to raise the standards of living of the common masses. He has earned fame for his personal works, mainly the Meditations, which delve into Stoic philosophy and virtue. Roman Senator Cassius Dio credited him as one of the 5 good emperors of Rome. The core principles of Stoicism and how they can help you build self-discipline. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that teaches us how to live a life of virtue and self-discipline. It is based on the belief that we should focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. The core principles of Stoicism can provide us with the guidance and motivation needed to build self-discipline in our lives. By understanding these principles, we can learn how to better manage our thoughts, emotions, and actions in order to achieve our goals. How to apply the teachings of Marcus Aurelius in your everyday. Marcus Aurelius was a Roman emperor who wrote the famous book Meditations, which is still highly relevant today. He believed in living a life of self-discipline and focus on what matters most. His teachings can be applied to our everyday lives in order to help us stay focused and lead a meaningful life. We can use his teachings to be more mindful of our thoughts, actions, and emotions and strive to live with integrity. By applying the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, we can become better versions of ourselves and make sure that we are living our lives according to our values.